Hey guys, today let's learn how to add multiple photos on your Facebook story. So if you guys want to go ahead and add multiple photos on your Facebook story, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to basically do this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, what we need to do first in order for us to add multiple photos on our Facebook story is to go ahead and first launch our Facebook application. And once you're already on your Facebook application, of course, we need to go ahead and tap on Create Story on this option right here. So once you've already tapped on the option to create a story, you're going to be redirected to your camera roll. But from here, let's tap on Select Multiple over here and select the multiple photos that we want to go ahead and add to our story. Now, as you see, this is going to provide us the option to add this on multiple stories. As you see, tapping on this option called Separate Stories is going to allow us to post these 3 photos all at once onto our story. Now, that is how we could easily add multiple photos onto our story a few clicks. So tap on Share to Story once you're happy. And that's basically it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.